Hey guys, I'm here with the new Nvidia Shield console here. This is model P2897. This comes with the Nvidia Tegra X1 processor, 256 core Nvidia graphics, 64-bit CPU, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage. This little console is awesome. It does everything you need. I own the old model and I am fully satisfied with that console. Looks like there's a new design on the remote. That's the only difference I see from my old one and this new one. But we're gonna go ahead and check out what's inside. Alright guys, I put everything together and this is pretty cool. It came with a plastic tray here for your Nvidia Shield for you to just put here on this plastic tray. Put it there, you put your remote, a little organizer tray. It's still a plastic one, I mean it's cool. But just figured I showed you guys that. Alright guys, out of the box, this thing is awesome. It comes the new version is small. It's really small. That's the new version. It comes with the remote. Comes with the new design of the remote there. Comes with the power cord and the HDMI cable. I have the old Nvidia Shield here and you can see the size difference there. This is the new one, this is the old one. Now I also have an old remote. And I have the new one. So you got the new one and the old one. It's a better design, little grip pattern there. Yeah, I like this one better, of course. But look at the size of this. Wow, looks like a little baby version. Awesome. That's what it comes with. Now let's go ahead and test it out. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and set up this Nvidia Shield. Starts off with welcome, so then we're gonna go ahead and push English. If you have an Android or a phone, tablet, we're gonna put no right now. Select Wi-Fi. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and Wi-Fi this real quick, hold on. Alright guys, after that it wants my Google account, so let me go ahead and take care of that real quick. Alright guys, so once you turn on the Nvidia Shield, it wants you to go ahead and register your Microsoft account. I already did that. You just put in your email address and your password, and then this is the next step. You accept the services on Google, hit accept, location, that's if you want to hit a location. For me, I'll push no. Help improve Android, let me see, this is for like errors and stuff you can send in. Sure, why not? Alright, Nvidia Shield. Agreeing to the license. I'm gonna hit yes. Join the Nvidia Shield. Not now. It's upgrading now, so we're gonna go ahead and let it do that right now. Alright guys, so after the update, this is where the home screen is. This is how it looks. It's really fast. This Nvidia Shield is awesome with the newest update. Let me see, you got YouTube, Netflix. You got all the apps you can get through the Play Store. Let's check out the settings. Let's see what kind of system we're running here. Alright, here we go. Shield Android, model P2897, version 7.0. Here we go, let me see here. Yep, this is it. This thing is awesome. New upgrade. Just wanted to give you a little preview about it. This is the best system you can run for Android TV. Thank you. Have a great day.